Davis, and I'm presenting my project over species diversity and conservation patterns in U.S. national parks. The problem we address is that the biodiversity data is large, complex, and difficult for researchers, policymakers, or public to interpret. Yet, understanding which parks have high species richness or high invasion risk is essential for conservation. Biodiversity protects ecosystem health. National parks rely on this data to plan conservation efforts, manage invasive species, and allocate resources. Our projects make this information accessible and visual. We use a Kaggle data set containing national park service species records from 15 parks over the U.S. with 42,000 species observation with traits such as abundance, nativeness, taxonomy, and conservation status. We cleaned missing data, standardized categories, and validated fields so the data was ready for modeling and visualization. Um, for machine learning, we end up using two approaches: random forest and logistic regression. Both models learn from species level traits like scientific name, family abundance, and conservation status to predict whether a species is native or non-native. The random forest handle more complex relationships, while logistic regression give interpreter feature importance. So the key innovation in combining machine learning and interactive map, so user can explore patterns visually instead of just reading raw tables. So the random forest model, as you guys can see in the map, had a 94.7 accuracy rate, a 97% F1 score, and then a 0.96 ROC. And similarly, the logistic regression machine, a 0.95 AUC as well. So they were very similar in terms of accuracy. Both models confirmed that species level biological traits are the stronger predictors of whether a species is non-native. Taxonomic groups, not random chance, explain most invasiveness. So when it comes to the Tableau dashboard, so we wanted to display where the species, view the species by reaches by park, see predicted non-native counts, filter by nativeness, species type, and just hover over parts for quick summaries. And so just overall, our project shows how machine learning and interactive visualization can reveal biodiversity patterns across national parks. Our dashboard and models help identify hotspots, understand invasion risk, and make conservation decisions more data driven. Thank you.